This is the walking dredge that was used to build the Tamiami Trail from Tampa to Miami in 1920s era. We're gonna go have a quick look at it. It says it was built in Bay City, Michigan, and was one of several types of dredges used to build the Tamiami Trail in the 20s. Hello. It's a pretty cool looking machine. They dredged out the Everglades and made a highway. And it's called the Bay City Walking Dredge. Working 18 hours daily. Unbelievable. Span of 33 feet. Was built in Bay City, Michigan, May 1924. I'll be darned. 1924. And it was a walking dredge. It's quite the creation. We're here at the Collier-Seminole State Park campground. Please do not climb on the dredge. It's got quite a reach. I wonder if it still runs. It's a National Historic Mechanical Engineering Landmark. The Bay City Walking Dredge of 1924. The walking dredge built by Bay City, Michigan Dredge Works is the earliest known survivor of its type, designed for use over swampy terrain where wheeled or tracked vehicles would bog down. The machine weight was distributed over shoes to move the middle. Movable shoes were lowered to take some of the weight off the corner shoes. The frame then was pulled forward about 10 feet using an onboard winch, so 10 feet at a time. They built that road. Pretty darn cool. Quite the machine. Okay, that's my quick tour of the Bay City Walking Land Dredge number 489.